Going on, guys, it's Louis here bringing you today's Shiba video. Yeah, I said it right, Shiba meme coin. Yeah, I know. Well, I've made this video because I've been asked a couple of times from my group chat, the Discord group chat. If you're not already in there, you can message me on my Instagram or my Twitter about my crypto community group chat, where I give my trades, longer term ones, long term investments and short term trades, where I buy, where I sell, and you do what you want with the information. I can't tell you to buy, I can't tell you to sell, but you can do whatever you want with the information I provide in the group chat, posting daily updates of bullish and bearish targets. I do post some on my YouTube, so you kind of have a clue, and on my Twitter, so you kind of have a clue of what I'm bringing in my community chat. So Shiba, what's going on? In the last, let's say, under 10 days, it's gone up almost 90%, almost 100%. I think it's done exactly 89% since in and around here on the 17th of October. So crazy pump. I actually was seeing this trade from exactly this level because we had a double bottom over here, which became valid once you broke above this line over here, this resistance over here. So now that we've broken the all-time highs, can you see we actually had a wick first? So you broke it and you fell back below it, and then you went and took it out the second time. Basically, this is what you usually do. You never usually break a resistance the first time. If you do, it can be very susceptible to becoming a fake out, a throwback. So yeah, so what I can see is that almost said Ethereum. What I can see is that Shiba flipped this resistance back into support, bullish, because before it was support, then resistance. That's where we had this bear, which was back in what, May now? Yeah, May, last until October. No one thought Shiba was coming back. No one thought Shiba was coming back. But this over here is called accumulation, where the price is being suppressed on purpose, kept down as long as possible, so that the rich, the whales, can accumulate for as long as possible. Once all their friends have enough Shiba, what they're going to do, take the suppression off, and out of nowhere it flies. It flies. So well done to anyone who bought down here. I think I made the chat aware about it over in and around here. So yeah, so what can I see for Shiba now that we have broken all-time highs? So when you got above this level and held this as support, which we confirmed with this double bottom, it puts you in a technical target to, I cannot even say that, but 6717. And from down here, from our entry, that would be almost a 165% game, 164. So amazing games, more than a double and a half. So where are we now? We're kind of floating, basically. Let's go on the 4 hour, because I want to look at this previous all-time high. So this was the previous all-time high. We went through it, went below it, and what did we do? We found key levels of support. We used this 20 moving average, but we also came back to this swing high. Can you see that? Just like my FIRO video. So you come back, you hit a key level of support, you flip resistance into support. You came into it, you fell. Came into it, you fell. Once you broke above it, now it's support. So this is your bottom, basically. Now we should go on and break higher and make higher highs and continue this uptrend. So at the moment, because we broke above this level, we're in a technical target to here, which is a 165% gain. And at the moment, we're about 90% in profit from entry down here. So what I can expect is maybe for this to actually come back down, and for it to come back down to test in and around this area here. So at the moment it's looking bullish, but you can see that you're quite far away from this. So the longer it takes for this to come down, this will actually start dragging up a lot more. But also, if you saw my Twitter about Bitcoin, we need to see what Bitcoin wants to do, right? So let's go on that now. Let's go. So if you're not following me, Louis_crypto. So this is what I was saying about Bitcoin. It's all about 64k. Remember, Bitcoin drags the entire market wherever it goes. Are you bullish or bearish? So I was saying that we need to basically get above 64k. This is the level that matters, because if we keep hitting our heads on it, if we keep failing to get above this level, we're looking like we're going to go down one more time, down to this swing high. But if we get above 64k, we are bullish as hell with a 72k target. So going back to Shiba, what I can expect is for us to come back in and around this area before continuing The numbers are so small, so I'll just give you the 4230. You can potentially see Shiba coming down to 4230 before carrying on. It might be so bullish that it doesn't come down exactly to this level. We can consolidate and go sideways and carry on up, but we know that we're in a technical target to 6717, and until then, as long as we're keeping above key levels of support, we're on our way to our technical target. So everything in between is just noise, waffle, so just ignore it, because your entry is here, we're only taking profits here unless things change. I want to see key levels of support being lost. Like if we lost this area here, which we bounced off, so we shouldn't, but if we did lose this, then maybe it's more than likely it's going to come back down to here, and we need to see from here what it's going to do, which is 2.264. But I don't see this, I don't envision this, but this is a potential. Everything is a possibility in crypto. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video on Shiba. Yeah, keep holding. Obviously I'd say take some profits, because this is getting vertical, but we've still got a bit more to go until our target. Perfect guys, once we're there, I'm obviously going to give you another update. Perfect guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Peace.